Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. It's me Dinesh. So today we are going to create one of Play Store logo for the Google. So first of all, we have to go with the polygon tool and make it with the shift key like this. So if you want to adjust the sides, you can arrange like this corner, whatever you want, you can adjust it. But right now we need three portions, okay? And make it hold on shift key, then rotate it like this. Then once you create, just make one line straight here, okay? And after that, select both line, both the align tool and apply vertical one, okay? So once you've done, select here and adjust this corner like a very lightly, something like this, okay? Then set this line, chill this edge here, and after that is find out what is this anchor point here. Then we have middle of this anchor point here. So once you got this anchor point, so this is the anchor point, so we have to continue this line till here. So let's make it so focus this anchor point, okay? And after that, select edit, copy, edit, paste in place here, and go to the reflect tool and set point here and here. So once you're done, now see this position perfectly arranged, and delete this middle one here. Then after that, select all of that with the shape builder, then hold on alt or shift option key and cut this both shape here, then separate it one. So we can just select something color here, 1 2 3 and 4 here, okay? Once you're done, this cancel the stock color here, and for this one, let's make it blue something here. So anyway, thank you for watching this video. So if you like, please support me.